free today. For 2 minutes. When you're working hard, you don't have to guess when you go to the dentist how your child's teeth is. Because you know. Because you had your own eyes on 2 times a day. And you made sure whatever that child ate, you got out of there. You didn't stay there that long. Yes, they did some midnight snacking without after you fell asleep. Don't laugh. Not funny. You know, when you're tired after you worked and provided for the family, you still gotta end it like this. Done. Let's floss. That's about long enough.
I do like your
Bad. I always wonder when I get older who's gonna floss my teeth. Okay, done.